Okay, so once you've gone at the high-level dashboard view, as I said, you could drill down on individual items. So I'm going to take a look at this particular item. Not sure what one this one is. So I hit go to this item, and I'm going to see all of the details of this particular risk. So every item here you see that has a drop down is very customizable. So for example, when I see category here, I can put a listing in table of all the different categories I want in these drop downs. So you can very quickly, very easily customize these forms to your specific needs. So in this particular case, I've just put in a couple of different categories for risks. I've got different risk types, reporting levels, work groups, sub-work groups, and so forth. Then when I go in, I do my standard impact and probabilities. So now I've got a risk rating automatically calculated. I've got my description. I've got various different things like when the risk was mitigated or accepted, when I'm going to follow up on it, what the risk trigger would be, how I'm going to deal with that when that trigger happens, when I close it, and so forth. And the other thing that I want to really showcase here is that whenever I type any status update, I can always go in and just say, this is now with HR, whatever, it doesn't really matter. But the key thing here is it immediately date stamps it, time stamps it, user stamps it, and then puts the status in. This keeps a running list of all the status updates along the way. So unlike your typical, Excel spreadsheet based RAID log where you lose the history of every item when somebody updates it, this is going to keep a total record of everything that's happened throughout the way. The other thing to keep in mind is everything you see here that is being changed along the way, an audit record is being kept. So that means that I can see all of the various different changes to this record as it progresses through from initiation all the way through to completion. And the final thing is I can also go down here and with one click mature this to an issue. So if the issue has been, if the risk has been triggered into an issue, I click this button, it automatically goes in, closes this item, creates an issue, and then I can go ahead and update the issue accordingly.